Shit, there's a car behind me. It's a cop.
Is it actually?
Yeah. It's a fucking cop, dude. It's a fucking cop, bro. Okay, go. Yeah. Finger painted since I was a child. He says it's actually faster than he expected.
I'm serious.
Okay.
Faster than that.
Okay, wait, try like
Lifting up on that side and pulling.
Yeah.
Lifting up?
Yeah.
Because look,
Yeah.
You see that?
What, maybe you have to do the other side first?
That's kind of weird, isn't it?
There we go. Shit, Rain's on it. There we
Down.
go.
Hey, we gotta keep these of good condition.
Yeah, they're good condition seats.
Too many people don't care about these cars.
I don't care about this car.
Just think, oh, they're just Hondas. No.
Yeah, and then they're gonna be able to get lots of money for a seat.
The people that up the price of the seats by ripping them, making them more rare.
You're gonna take the subs out?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah, why not? I'm gonna keep the speakers in though.
Like my old
This is
What would you put this in?
my prelude.
What, take the back seats out of that or just put it on?
Put it in the trunk.
Would it fit in the trunk?
The trunk's pretty fucking big. Oh, I don't have my keys.
Oh yeah, no, I remember we went in
Yeah,
there.
this hatchet's pretty fucking small, so.
Yeah.
Let's all bet
Just
if,
push it back forward.
Spare tires in there or not. Do you think it's gonna be in there?
No,
I think it's not gonna be in there.
probably not. Everything else has been missing on this car, so. Bro, you fucked up my speaker setup.
That's how it is, dude. Fuck you. It's gonna sound the same.
What? My sub?
Yeah.
What about it? No way. Only person that can drive this is Ronan. Because he knows how to drive Hondas,
Nah,
dude.
You could have a video title, Mustang owner drives his first Honda.
Gay!
Mustang driver kills me.
Mustang driver hits crowd in a Honda.
Yeah, I drive Mustangs responsibly. Only hit 2 crowds.
Only hit 2 clouds and blown 2 transmissions.
Hey, too much power.
Too much power, not enough knowledge.
They'll never know.
Hey, cover your face, man. No texting while in a car.
I'm not driving. Yo, did you guys hear about that Mustang that broke the internet?
Grab those squeaks out of there.
They remind us sometimes, and I'm like,
Is it comfy back there right
Not
now?
bad.
Those subs, I'm gonna slam my brakes on and those subs are gonna squish
They're
you.
gonna kill me.
okay, we gotta check the oil first.
Yeah, we can check
You
that.
guys are stupid. I'm gonna be nice and warm.
That's a good point.
Look at the oil. Don't worry. That's normal.
That means we're low on. That means you have to check your oil.
That's the oil squeal.
Yeah, that's like alert. You have to check your oil and last
Forget about
some
me back here?
kilometers.
What?
Forget about me back here?
Who the hell's talking? Park in front of this guy's house. Let's hope we don't wake him up with my belt squeal. It's getting really bad.
Yeah.
It hasn't been like that at all.
Yeah, this happened. I don't know. It'll probably be better tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow, yeah, I'll fix it. Yeah, but I just did the oil change not that long ago.
Yeah,
That was when I last put oil in. I
yeah,
guess.
think about how much you burn it though.
I'm not used to having a Honda that burns so much oil.
Yeah, I bet you that bell squeak will go away.
Do you really think?
Yeah.
It'll lubricate the internal. She'll be nice and happy after this.
Yeah, I bet you she'll sound different.
Yeah, VTEC will hit sooner, and I'll be able to redline longer.
Yeah, you will be, for real. That's actually a proven fact.
Huh?
That's a proven fact.
Yeah.
Like for real talk.
What?
If you have oil in your car, you can redline longer.
Oh yeah. I'm not surprised. The more oil, if your car has no oil, you can't redline for that long. But if you have oil in your car, you can redline forever.
Yeah.
I can be in first gear for like 10 minutes hitting redline. I'll be fine if I have oil. As long as someone's on the other end with the oil cap off pouring oil in, I'll be fine.
Yeah, because like you'll probably burn all your oil in 10 minutes.
Yeah, because when you hit redline, you just burn a lot of oil. Oh, it's full.
Holy.
Should I just put the whole thing in there? Oh shit, I don't have a filter. I don't have something to pour it into. I'm gonna go get a piece of paper. I should just dump the whole thing in? Or...
Yeah, well how much is in it?
Huh?
Is that like the size of a normal one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would, I guess.
Because that looked pretty fucking empty.
Yeah, I'd pour the whole thing in.
I'll just burn it off with a fucking
Yeah, true, actually though.
No?
I was just gonna turn on against the bed.
What's wrong?
All it takes is a little bit of oil.
Yeah.
You don't know what your car can do.
Oh, barely.
Maybe we need a little more oil.
Yeah. Yeah, add some transmission oil in the back, so just put that in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
It just cleans out your cylinders.
Did I have my lights on when I was driving?
Probably.
How is it back there, Ryan? Not bad. I can't see. Oh, it's Ryan.
What?
It's the thing that your head's on. It's making all that noise.
Oh, my bad. I mean, I could sit up.
No. Shit, there's a car behind me. It's a cop.
Is it actually?
Yeah. It's a fucking cop, dude. It's a fucking cop, bro.
Okay, go.